I realize now that my ugly feet saved my life. I was so proud of these handsome antlers, but they would have been the cause of my death. Very often we dislike the very things that are most useful to us. He realized that his ugly feet saves his life, whereas the handsome antlers would have been the cause of his death. Means वेरी ऑफन वी डिसलाइक द वेरी थिंग्स मीन्स हमेशा ज़रूरी नहीं जो हमें पसंद हो वो हमारे लिए यूज़फुल हो. कभी कभी वो चीज़ें जो हमें बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं होती वो भी हमारे लिए यूज़फुल होती है. मीन्स ऑल दैट ग्लिटर नॉट गोल्ड. आवर सेकेंड फेबल इज़ द डॉग इन द manger. Once a dog was looking for a nice and comfortable place to lie down. He came to the manger of an ox and jumped onto the hay to rest. Manger means a long open box in the cattle shed which contains hay for cattle, and hay means dried grass. See, this is the manger and here is the hay. Once upon a time, a dog was looking for a comfortable place to rest. Then he came to the manger of an ox and jumped onto the hay to rest. It was a very hot afternoon. After a while, the ox returned from the field. He had worked hard in the hot sun and was now quite hungry. It was a very hot afternoon. The ox returned from the field as he worked hard in the hot sun and he was very hungry. He stood in his stall and was planning to eat the hay that was put in the manger for him. He came to his stall. Stall means a part of a cattle shed or stable. He came to his stall and stood and planning to eat the hay that was put in the manger for him. However, when he reached for the hay, the dog saw him. However, he tried to reach to the hay, the dog saw him. Standing in the manger, he began to bark loudly at the ox. Standing in the manger, he tried to bark. He began to bark loudly at the ox. Each time that the ox came near the hay, the dog snarled, barked, and snapped at the ox. Snarled means angry noise. Barked means bhokna, barking. Snapped means try to bite somebody or something, means gurrana. However, the ox tried to eat the hay. The dog snarled him, barked at him and snapped at him. Snarl means उसकी तरफ देख के दांत से अपने दांत बजा के गुर्रा रहा था वो डॉग. ठीक है, उसके ऊपर भौंक रहा था और इस तरीके से कर रहा था कि वो अभी उसे काट लेगा. He could not allow the ox to eat his hay. The dog would not allow the ox to eat his own hay, but he was very hungry. Oxen are generally peace-loving and patient animals. These animals are very peace-loving and very patient animals. Means ये कभी किसी से लड़ाई झगड़ा नहीं करते या फिर मतलब बहुत ही शांति वाले होते हैं, किसी को नुकसान नहीं पहुंचाते. But finally the ox got upset and spoke firmly. Got upset means he became very unhappy because something bad had happened. The ox was very unhappy and spoke firmly. He speak very firmly means in a strong voice. Dog, if you wanted to share my dinner with me, I would not mind it. He says that dog, if you wanted to share my dinner with you. The ox was ready to share his dinner with the dog, but the dog is not allowing this ox to eat the hay which was kept for the ox. But you neither eat the hay nor allow me to enjoy it. Ox क्या कह रही है? Either you are not eating the hay or not allowing me to eat or enjoy it. It is of no use to you. He said, this hay is no use of you. Then why don't you let me have my favorite food? He said to the dog that why you don't allow me to eat my own food, my own favorite food. Don't begrudge others what you don't enjoy yourself. Begrudge means to unwilling to give something or unhappy that someone is getting something. मतलब हमें कोई गुस्सा हो रहा है, नाखुश हो रहा है कि किसी को कुछ मिल रहा है, तो इससे हमें क्या सीख मिलती है? डोंट बी ग्रोज अदर्स, मतलब हमें दूसरों से नाखुश नहीं होना चाहिए। वॉट यू डोंट इन्जॉय योर सेल्फ, जो कि तुम उस चीज़ को खुद भी इंजॉय नहीं कर सकते हो। थैंक यू।